Hi friends, welcome to second lesson of Microsoft PowerPoint. Friends, today we will learn about viewing a presentation in different ways. What are the different ways? How can we view our presentation in different views? So let's start. The first viewing option is normal view, second is outline view, third one is slide sorter view, fourth one is note page view, fifth one is reading view, and sixth one is slideshow view. So look here, this is the normal view of a presentation, a normal view. When you want to view in outline view, then you click on the view tab. This is the home tab. This is insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, review view. Click on the view tab. Then the first one is normal. The second one is outline view. Click on outline view. Look that. Your screen completely changed. Here the details, complete details given on the left side and slide is on the right side. This is the outline view. In normal view, slides are shown. Look here, this is the normal view, whereas the outline view shows you the entire description of the slide. Only it shows the current slide. It doesn't shows the other slides. But in normal view, on the left side, slides are shown. But in outline view, only descriptions, only your content is shown. Content is shown. Then the third one is slide sorter view. In slide sorter view, all slides are shown as thumbnails. Look that your here is 6 slides. Your 6 slides shown as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At a once all slides shown. It not in normal view left side is only current slide in the main page and all slides on the left side. In outline view only the current slide shown and the content is shown in the left side, but in slide sorter view all the slides shown to you. This is the slide sorter view. Then again go to normal view. Then the fourth one is note page view. Click on note page view. Here is the note page view. Then click on note page view. This is the note page view. Look that. When you enter your arrow keys, it your all slides shown. You a option is given for you. You type anything. You can type anything here in note page view, or you can delete this one. You can also delete this one in note page view. It looks like a note and it gives you a option. Click to add text. Click to add text, but it was not in slide sorter view, not in outline view, not in normal view. And first we shown how normal view looks like, we shown how outline view looks like, we shown how slide sorter view looks like, we shown how note page view looks like. Now reading view. Here is the reading view. Click on reading view. In reading view, completely slides shown in full page, and also you can see another your rest of the slide by down arrow key, by clicking down arrow key. This is reading view. And last one is slideshow view. It was not, the option is not available in view option. It is available, look here, there is an option here, slideshow. Click over that option, your slideshow shows. This is the slideshow view. Or you can find the slideshow by clicking on the slideshow option from the beginning. This is the slideshow option. This is all about how can you view your slides in different ways. You can view your slide by normal view, or by outline view, or by slide sorter view, or by note page view, or by reading view, or by slideshow view. Now our next topic is viewing in color or grayscale. Means if you want your slides to be black and white, then you can select, go to, this is home tab, go to view tab. This is the view tab. Click on the view tab. Here is the color option, and here is the grayscale option. Click on the grayscale option. Look that all your slides looks like black and white. Look, previously it was in colorful, now it was in black and white. It was in black and white. Here it is black and white. All slides are black and all slides are looks like black and white. If you want to color again, then there is an option back to color view. Click on that. All slides are colorful. If you want to grayscale, then click on grayscale. All slides are black and white. It is grayscale is a viewing mode in which there are no colors. Here there is no color. No, there is nothing color. Only shades of gray. It only looks like shades of gray. Here it is no color. If you want to again colorful, then click on back to color view. Click on back to color view. This is all about the second lesson of Microsoft PowerPoint. To find more videos and more updates on Microsoft PowerPoint, like and subscribe our channel.